Okay, so first thing, before we get into everything that you want to get into, let's just go back and have a look at what you have done and where we're at. So we were talking about, selling advertising space, sending out those emails to people that have previously done it before, sending it out to other people and giving them advertising space as well. And then we were looking also at the print deadline too.
Yes. So where we're at with advertising, let me just find the spreadsheet. So we sent out the first email, and I believe we got 4 people that wanted to advertise, which is pretty good, or 5, I think, because one of them needs to be invoiced.
Excellent. So that's like just over 30%, 33% of one email.
Yeah.
Conversion. 33% of one email. Excellent. How many registrations would you say you would have gotten from the 2 emails?
I know that because I've got a thing set up that I get notified, and like that the next day we got our biggest in one day, like 6 went through in one day.
I'm doing this now.
Yeah, and I was like, oh fuck, like yeah, because like normally it's all in the last week, and next week is the last week, so Catherine's gonna be like smashed.
Yes.
So it's good that